Hello friends, today's the discussion is about one more Nemood reaction that we call as the Beckmann rearrangement reaction. What is Beckmann rearrangement reaction is here is a R2 is given and here is R1, double bond N and OH is there. We know well it is called oxime. Oxime in presence of any of the acid, such as it may be a proton acid like H2SO4 or HCl or H3PO4, any of the proton donor acid, or any of the Lewis acids like PCl3 or POCl3 or SOCl2 or acetyl chloride or benzene sulfonyl chloride, either the proton acid as well as either the Lewis acid. What will happen here is the R dash or R1 C double bond O NH and R2. This we call N substituted amide is forming. This reaction is a Beckmann rearrangement. What the statement? Here a acid catalyzed oxime undergoes rearrangement to form N substituted amide is known as the Beckmann rearrangement reaction. Here the Beckmann rearrangement reaction is a highly specific or stereospecific because of it is not depending on the migrating ability of the substituted group. It is always depending on whatever the OH group which is anti or the transposition, that alkyl group is only getting migrated. That's what it is, highly stereospecific in nature. Hence what the mechanism is the R2, here is a R1, double bond N and OH is given oxime. In presence of an acid, H plus ion, oxygen carries a lone pair of electron, then it attracts the proton. R2, here is a R1 and double bond N and OH2. Oxygen lost its electron, that's what it carries positive charge. Hence, being it is a more electronegative element, it never appears. Hence, its transposition or antiposition alkyl group along with the electrons gets migrated. R dash C plus double bond N and here is a R2. Now, in presence of water H2O, oxygen carries a more electron density. That's what it makes a bond with electrophilic center. R1, C double bond N, R2 is given. Here is a OH and H. Since in this reaction the H plus originally it is added, hence oxygen lost its electron. By giving this electron, it loses H plus, hence it is a catalyst. Now R dash C double bond N, H and R2 is given. Here is a O and H, which undergoes keto-enol tautomerism, replacement of the hydrogen from this carbon atom to nitrogen atom. R dash C double bond O NHR 2, that is N alkyl amide is forming. Hence this is called as a Beckmann rearrangement reaction. Yeah, now the certain examples which related to the Beckmann rearrangement reaction. Here the oxime is given and the proton or the protic acid is given. What will happen? Here the H plus oxygen carries a lone pair of electron. That's what it is, attracting the lone pair of electron. As a result, this lost its electron, hence anti-position phenyl group gets migrated. As I mentioned earlier, it is not depending on the migrating ability of the group. It is only the transposition. Here N, H and pH, like that is a formed one. Whereas here is a OH group is present, hence this attracted the proton. As a result, it is eliminated. Nitrogen carries the positive charge. Antiposition group is getting substituted. CH3, C double bond O, NH and C2H5, N-ethyl acetamide is a formed product. Whereas here is also like it is given, let us imagine, here OH is attracting the proton. As a result, loss of water molecule, nitrogen acquire positive charge. Antiposition is a hydrogen atom is given. pH C double bond O NH2 is a formed one. Whereas here is also, if the OH is given like this, imagine, then antiposition, that loss of the water molecule, hydrogen is getting migrated to that one. CH3 C double bond O and NH2 is a formed product. Like this, the certain examples which related to the Beckmann rearrangement reaction. Yeah, few more examples related to the Beckmann rearrangement reaction. This is the previous question. Here the ketone is given when it is reacted with a hydroxylamine. We know well aldehydes and ketone undergoes a condensation reaction with hydroxylamine to form oxime. After formation of the oxime is given what? H plus, known well that accepts the proton. As a result, it carries the positive charge. In order to replace its transposition, means this carbon atom is going to make a bond with this one. Hence, what the formed one is a NHC double bond O. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atom. Here the 6 carbon atoms containing one is a caprolactam. The caprolactam is a very important polymer in the preparation of nylon 6, which on hydrolysis that comes under the homopolymer. The same way, here is also which undergoes condensation reaction, which also expands its ring size as like as above. Please practice. Whereas here is also present the same, two fused rings are present. Whereas the antiposition, this one NH plus, these electrons are given toward this side, and the ring become 1, 2, 3, 4-membered ring gets converted into 5-membered ring. That is also comes under what? That Beckmann rearrangement reaction, C double bond O. Like this is a formed product. Whereas here is a bicyclic compound is given. In the bicyclic compound is also the number that is increases. Here is the same carbon atom methyl group is present. Here is a NHC double bond O. Like this are the examples